Hello everyone, this is Christina here. Welcome to the channel. So this video we're going to talk about Solana. Particularly on Solana, I'm quite bullish because the down wave is very obvious, very choppy. And for example, like this one here, it looks like a triangle. And this one here, it looks like a perfect triangle. So it kind of like tells me that the whole structure is probably a WXY, a three-wave move. Okay, since we have a three-wave move and there's a potential we're gonna have a pullback to the 618 region, which is $200, above $200. Okay, then again, it might just roll over. I always say that because it kind of like it tried to break out. It didn't even retest or anything, and then it started declining back down. But anyway, I'm gonna use this channel as a guide. Like the moment it breaks out here, okay, it kind of like tells me it's a different wave. Okay, like it's showing me potential that it's a different wave. Okay, it's a start of something, although it's not 5-wave, but it's still a start of something. Okay, like this down move is done because it broke this channel. I just think that there is potential that this could be an expanded flat. Okay, so the other scenario is that we're gonna have a three-way pullback, just like Bitcoin. If it happens, then we're looking like really low target, like really low. Like the whole structure here is potentially a larger WXY. Okay, I mean, unless it stays where it is and then, you know, drop another low, then I presume that the Y has extended to somewhere around this level, which is possible as well. Now, that's the thing about correction. It can be very complex. Okay, but now we're just leaning towards to the upside as, you know, daily have shown us potential bull divergence to the upside. So we're gonna lean forward the expanded flat idea. Okay, now let's zoom into the small time frame. Let's take a look what's going on the current move. So so I believe that this is, sorry, it's a little bit choppy and a little bit messy. So I believe that this move here is a three-wave up. It looks a little bit unconvincing. Okay, so it can be like this is a one wave as well. It can reach here as a one wave as well. It's really up to anybody thinks what they want to think. Okay, so by myself, I would think the better way is that the whole structure here is actually a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leading diagonal, and then we have a three-way pullback, and now we're moving up. Okay, so that would be more ideally more reasonable. Okay, so of course this could end up, because this are being like really choppy, so basically this could actually ending up becoming an ABC, making it a huge 1, 2, 1, 2, okay, to the downside. So what we need for Solana to actually, you know, pull back to 200 is, let me pull that fib. Okay, what it needs is we need to break the $155 and above, and it will give us an impulse and we can continue it to the upside. But if we starting to reject somewhere around 1.272 or maybe 1-to-1 extension, if we start rejecting right here, all right, and there might be a potential that we roll over again. All right, so this is the area that we need to focus on, like, because it's a huge resistance right here. So we need to focus on this area before we actually saying that, hey, there is potential that this could, you know, end up something else. Okay, but for now, I'm just gonna lean forward that this whole structure is an expand of flat. Let me get rid of that. This whole structure is an expand of flat. Okay, having this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a finish move, and this is an ABC down. Okay. Market currently looking a little bit bullish as this candle up, because when you go to the 4-hour time frame, it looks really bullish as the candle up. Just look at the candle and you will see all this was just choppy noises, and we're gonna get a move up. How high, we just have to see whether there is a rejection and what's the wave count. For now, it's really hard for us, especially to chart alts on a small time frame. It really just really hard for us to chart on smaller time frame. So we just have to look at the rejection and how it is being rejected. Will there be a leading diagonal pullback, and that's where we exit. We just need that little bit of confirmation before we initiate thinking that it might go down, or it kind of shows us like it could be corrective. Then we're looking forward for the upside. Okay, I think that's for it for Solana. I hope everybody stays safe. Anything can happen in the market, but when it comes to Elliot wave, it's all about probability. So we need to see the rejection at this area to actually determine whether it's gonna go forward or it's gonna start to reject or whatsoever. So stay safe, and oh yeah, and we're definitely trying to break this high, and if we do, then we are actually looking for 1-to-1 and 1.272, and slowly have it looked up to 1.618 and above. Okay, we make sure you follow the channel and subscribe so that every time I have a Solana update on the current count, what is going on, you'll get the alert as soon as possible if you subscribe to my channel. Okay, so take care and have a good day.